I have two Schlage padlocks, and they're keyed different right now, and I want to key them alike. So I want to key this padlock to this key. So what I want to do is, here's the key I want to use. And it's very simple. There's a little tiny screw in there. Sometimes it's a flathead, sometimes it's a Phillips. In the old days, it was 2 tabs. You have to swing back over. So let's see if this will come out now. So once I've undone the screw, still holding just a little bit. They're kind of, there we go. And you can see what they look like here. I've just pulled it out, and all this is a cover over here. Now I'm going to rekey it. So the first thing I have to do is remove the end cap retainer pin, unscrew it, and then rekey it. So I'm going to take out the end cap, depress the end cap pin, and remember which way that tailpiece is going. It's horizontal. Take out the end cap retainer pin, get that little screw out, and now we're going to key it up. So the lock I want to key it to is a 5-pin, and this one is a 6-pin. It's pretty easy. We remove, dump the pins, so they're all dumped. Now I have to make sure that there's no extra pins in the top here. Make sure there's no master pins. So that's good. And also the 6th one, because this is a 6-pin, this is a 5-pin, or an SC4, this is an SC1. We dump the last spring and top pin and spring. And again, we just check to make sure there's no master pins and make sure they're all there. I should always put a little X on the front so I know that's the front of the plug. So keying it up is pretty basic now, because the code is right there stamped on the key. 25276. This is a Schlage lab pin kit. This is a 005 lab kit that will do a whole bunch of different locks. And the first number is a 2. I go 195B. So 195 bottom. The next number, oh, the third one's a 2 as well, so I might as well put that in while I'm at it. So the third is a 2 as well. The next number is a 5. A 5 is a 240B. The next number, the fourth number is a 7. 270B. And the final 5th number is a 6, which is 255B. So we've keyed it all up. Remember, we've changed the 6 pin to it's a 5 pin at the tops. Put it on an angle, and the reason you put it on an angle is so that if we put it in like that, the top pins are going to go in the hole. So we got to go 45-degree angle, put it in. There we go. So we put the end cap retainer spring in there, the end cap retainer pin. Now this one's pointy on both sides, so it's almost idiot proof. It only goes in one way, goes in either way. And we're going to put the end cap on there, and we're going to depress. I'm just using a little hook pick. You can use on all or whatever. Again, righty-tighty. Now, you go till it's tight, and then back it off 1 click. And make sure that end cap pin is solid in there, not halfway through. It will back off if you don't put it properly. And oh, now we're too loose. So my key won't come out easily. So what I have to do now, let's tighten it up. Oh, I was way off. Oh yeah, way off. Should be there. More. Oh, gee whiz. So we got to test it, and even have the customer test it. So this one's almost all the way. Yeah, that was like, usually it's tight and back off. This one was just tight, and it's absolutely perfect. We throw it back together again. Don't forget, that's the front goes there. Now, this is the super, super duper important. Do not tighten up the screw until we test this lock to make sure that it's going to release, and it does, and the key will come out. I have people put these in upside down. It causes no end of trouble. You can put the key in. I'm going to lock it and test it. Do that and take the key out. Unfortunately, from locksmith students who have not followed that rule. Once it works, so don't put the retainer screw in till you've tested it. So now we know it works. There we go. Let's test it now. It's locked. Boom. It fits that padlock as well as it opens that padlock. So now I have two padlocks keyed alike. We can also master key these. We can add on 1, 10, 100, 1,000. We can master key them. It's extremely versatile. And these locks, yes, they're more money than the masters or Abus or anything else, but I put these on gates. They last forever. I put the offshore clones on gates. I don't get 3 months, 6 months of heavy use, and they're falling apart. These things just seem to last forever on a gate. I really like this on a gate. And I try to tell customers, you know, upgrade to this. They're not inexpensive. They say, oh, we'll go with the cheap one. And then who's calling up saying, that lock is jammed? So for heavy-duty use in all environments, go with these. They're more money, but they're going to last. You can either cry once and never not have to replace it, or you'll be crying every time you replace those cheap padlocks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.